Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my video. Today on this video guys, I want to share with you guys this simple strategy you can use to make good sum of money from crypto. You know, most times one secret about crypto is knowing the actual token you have to buy that have great potentials or greater chances of having a bullish having a bullish price at a long run. Recently, a token or a currency has been launched recently, and very few people are aware of this token. So guys, from this video I'll be sharing with you guys the name of this token, how you can be part of this token, and how you can also trade to make good profit from this token, easily making money online. So guys, as the year is almost coming to an end, most currencies have chances of having a bullish trade within September, October, November and December. So this is the best time you can get a token. And then this token is one of the tokens that has great potentials of having a very big bullish trade this year. So open your Bitget app. This is our Bitget app. The name of this token is what we call the World Liberty Finance token. The World Liberty Finance token. This token has been under pre-market since 2020. That is 5 good years ago. And the people, there are very huge people that are backing up this token. Like when I mean huge, I mean strong men with huge amount of dollars that are backing up this token. That's why I said it has a very strong potentials. One of the people that are backing up this token is the popular president of USA, Donald Trump. In fact, he is the owner, he is the actual person that is launching this token. Like, he is the person that is in charge of this token called the World Liberty Finance token. So guys, if you are new to crypto and maybe you don't know how to access or get, or maybe you don't know how to access any token that is about to be launched or the one that has been launched, this is a very simple tips. You can use your Bitget. This token has been listed on Bitget, it has been listed on Bybit and even on MEX. So you can choose any exchange platform that you feel is the best for you and get yourself involved in this token. So I'm using Bitget because Bitget has this opportunity of trading with low volume. Okay, what I mean by low volume is it has an opportunity of trading with low income or low amount. So when you choose your Bitget account, all you need to do is, if you have money already in your Bitget, it's very simple. But whereby you don't have money in your Bitget account, I will also show you how you can fund your Bitget account. If you're in Nigeria and you're using Bitget, the best option is the P2P exchange. P2P exchange means paying someone. There are people you meet online that wants to sell their currency or dollars. You buy from them and you send them money. That is what we mean by P2P. But if you're in another country, you can use your MasterCard or any other exchange, any other means of sending money to Bitget. You can use it and fund your account. But then for those who wants to get their coins through P2P, in our next video I'll be making a video on how you can do that. So then when you have already found your wallet on Bitget, the next thing you have to do is to search for what we call the WLFI. That is the World Liberty Finance token in a short form, WLFI. This is the coin. You click on it. Now this is the market since it has been launched. You see, when they launch this market, it has a very bearish, immediately they launched the market went very high, then it started running down, and then it rolled and had a very deep run until this extent. Why they allow it to run down is because they wanted some people to sell out these coins very fast, so that those who benefit from it will also be very few. But I tell you, like I said, this token has a very strong potential. No matter how the market is, there are greater chances that this token is going to rank from now till December. So if you look at the present, let's try to get the, if you look at the present market you see that this token has have a very bullish trend since, let's say, for over like 2-3 days now. It has have a very bullish trend for over 2-3 days now. For me, I funded my wallet with $5. That was what I used to get this token, $5. But what I have here is $7.68 USD. So this token was listed on 1st of September. So let me just say, within the past 5 days, I have made like $2 and some cents in my account. That's to tell you how this token is growing. So when you search for the WLFI, what you need to do is, once you have get the WLFI, you cannot click on trade. That is after you have found your wallet. Now if you click on trade, you want to get this WLFI. So if you want to get it, that means you click on buy. But if you want to sell it, that means you are clicking on sell. We are trying to get this WLFI so that we can, buying it means investing on it, so that when it starts growing, we can benefit from the profit. So we click on buy. That is when you are done funding your wallet. When you click on buy, then you click on your slot. You can choose your 0.0001 slot, or 0.001 or 0.01. Remember, the higher the slot, the higher the risk of losing. So be careful when you are choosing. But then you can choose anyone you feel like choosing. But remember, trading is always risky, although this coin has a very great potential. So then when you click on the slot you want to go for, then you have to come to this place. Then you choose your order value. If you want to use all your whole money you have in your wallet to trade, you can just scroll this to 100%. When you click on it to 100%, you cannot click on buy WLFI. But if you don't want to buy everything you have, if you don't want to buy with everything you have in your wallet, you can just choose the amount of money you want to spend on this WLFI. And once you choose it, then you cannot click on buy. Once you click on buy, automatically your wallet will turn to WLFI and it will start reading. You start seeing your profit going high. So this is the only way and the easiest way to get this wallet, to get this token. Believe me, this token, you can browse about it. It has a lot of strong potentials of ranking on crypto world. So guys, participate in it so I can benefit from this token that is about to be that has been launched and is about to go through a bullish trend. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos I'll be making, and thank you.